Oh, good. What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick video on how to upload a short to YouTube from your PC, or how to change the aspect ratio of a video using Adobe Premiere. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you've opened Adobe Premiere is go to File and then New, Project. And then you're going to have the option of different project presets. And this is where you're going to choose portrait, or you could do square, I think, or maybe this social one, but I'm going to do portrait. Now we're going to add media. We're going to bring in a file from somewhere, wherever. I'm going to do Fish Friends number 2. Then we'll open that. Drag that down. Put it right there. Now it's going to ask you, it says clip mismatch. That's because the video that I'm putting in there is 16 by 9, but I want it to be 9 by 16, so it's vertical. So I'm going to say keep existing settings, because I had already changed the settings, right? Now there's the video, and you can see that it's vertical. You're just going to want a little piece of it, right, for a short. So just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to get rid of a chunk of this. And then we'll save this piece. Just going to go to Export and Share, Devices, and then I would click on this HD one, or there's, the 4K one if you want to do that, but these are vertical options, or square, but we're going to do the vertical one. I'm just going to name it test short, and then we'll save it, and we'll open the folder just to look at it. And if you upload this to YouTube, it won't have the side, the side region. You'll just have this vertical area. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you upload a short or change the aspect ratio. But you just have to change the project settings at the start and then save it correctly as well. But yeah, thanks for watching.